Greetings YouTubers, Jay here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel filter on a 95 Oldsmobile Sierra. They gear you up pretty good. In these type of cars, GM made nylon fuel lines. They include an extra, caps on the ends, and the actual filter itself looks like this. Has a mounting bracket. Probably won't even use it though, to be honest. But anyway, let's get down to it. So I've got the vehicle jacked up, jack stand in place, jack also in place, behind the back axle. Right up here by the side of the fuel tank, there's your fuel filter. One end you need to unhook is this one I'm showing you right there. Now that little hole has a quick connect fuel fitting, which means you should be able to just squeeze those tabs down inside of there and pull out. And this is the other end of the line you have to disconnect. As you can see, it still has that quick connect fitting. They call them quick connect fittings, but they're not so quick connect when they get old like this. But as you can see, you have to squeeze the top. See how that squeezes in? And then you can sometimes just pry off. And yep, fuel everywhere. That side's off. The caps off the ends first. Then all you gotta do is slide. It's called quick connect because when they're brand new, they are very quick connect. But as you can see, I need 2 hands for this shit. So set you up right there. Now, look at that. You just push. Now it's not coming apart anymore. The other side of the line free and hanging. There's the other side of my fuel filter. Now I can just grab it. I should be able to twist and pull out. So much for that. Oh, and there it goes. And you just take the new one. It'll tell you what side's out. Usually the side facing the gas tank is in, because it's got to come through the fuel filter first. Or through the fuel pump, I mean, sorry. But they need to put a new piece on that side. And to complete your job, you just slide it back on both ends. I already did the other side, so find a decent route for this fuel line. Usually you have to go up over the gas tank filler tubes to come in straight. We actually don't need this new clip they gave us, so I'll just remove that. Rather, these old ones are reusable pretty much as long as you want them to be. That was it, folks. Play with shit and please subscribe.